What's up guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this wig right here. You guys, this is the Body Wave 4x4 lace front wig. It is in 16 inches. I love this texture, you guys. This wig is so lightweight. I know sometimes when you get wigs, it can be really heavy or bulky, but this is so lightweight. It almost feels like you're not wearing a wig at all. Love the texture. It's 100% human hair, so you guys could do anything you guys would do with human hair. Dye it, bleach it, straighten it, curl it, anything that you would do on your own natural hair that grows out of your scalp. You guys, I'm loving this wig. Go ahead and show you guys length. 16 inches is perfect. Love the length, how it looks. I'm living for this wig, so if you guys want to see a little bit more about the inside and details like that, stay tuned for the unboxing. But you guys, no complaint. Absolutely love it. You guys can't tell, but I did fold the lace and I kind of just hair over so that look like this. I was just trying to cover up the fact that the lace was folded, but you guys can always do whatever you want with the front of it, you guys. But you guys, this is so cute. I'm obsessed with these human hair wigs, you guys. So easy to take care of and wear. Just throw it on and head out. Obsessed. So let's get into the unboxing. So here is the box right here. Is her tune 100% virgin human hair. It is a 4x4 body wave human hair natural black color. So excited to unbox this. This packaging is so pretty. Love the pink box. Let's go ahead and open it. So when I took the wig out the packaging, I did want to get to the accessories. Look at how cute. 2 ponytails. One is pink and one is blue, and it has like these little wing things on it. Super cute. And it does come with the wig cap. These ones are the black wig caps. It comes with 2 pieces and also has a thank you card in here thanking the customer and everything. So let's go and unbox the wig. So I took the netting and the paper off. Here's the wig right out of the package. Now it's not a full lace front. The lace is only on this portion of the front right here. And if you open it, you can see how the lace is only like this circle right at the top. It does have the comb on that side, comb on that side, comb at the bottom, and then the adjustable straps. I like wigs like this better that just has this lace in the front. I just feel like it makes it a lot easier to customize. You guys can see right here how it looks like. That looks so realistic, super nice, great quality hair. You guys, look at that bounce. Great quality. I love body wave, you guys. Super, super cute, so I recommend.